Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this glitch effect inspired by the Disney Plus show Wandavision. The first thing you want to do is download the free lightning brushes for Photoshop. There is a link for them in the description. Then you want to open Photoshop up and select a lightning brush and make sure your color selected for it is white. Adjust the size to match the document as such, and on a new layer place a lightning bolt. Now, in order to get these red highlights, you're going to want to double click the lightning layer, go to outer glow and select a red color that you fancy and play around with the settings. You can either copy my settings here or come up with your own settings for it. Then right click and select create layer. Now select the red layer, go to filter, video, and then the wind option. Now just mess around with this option until it looks like something you want, or follow what I do. Now, I'm not vibing with the shade of red, so I'm just going to hold Control click on the red layer and paint over it with a better shade. Then select your white lightning layer, go to filter, blur, and then motion blur, and copy my settings. And then you want to control click again on the red layer, make a new layer and paint on one side of the lightning bolt, like what I'm doing. Make sure to keep between the lines on this. Now, click the eye icon and hide this layer. Control click and it will select this layer. Now click on the photo of the girl or whatever photo you might be using, and then right click and click layer via copy. Now you will have a portion of her face as its own layer. What you want to do is create a hue and saturation adjustment layer and right click on it and hit clipping mask when it's above her face portion. Now have some fun with the hue and saturation sliders as I'm doing, and once you've done that, make a vibrance adjustment layer and do the same. Now make a black and white adjustment layer over the original photo and configure it to your heart's content. Now open up your browser and go to a free stock image site. To get some images, I mainly use Pexels and Unsplash. I'll put links to them below. Look through the websites and find some textures you would like to blend with the image. I've put the images I've used in the description. Now, put the image into Photoshop above the face cutout layer, hit clipping mask, and then mess with the blending mode. I picked the difference blend mode. Then make a hue and saturation layer above it and mess with it. Now select the white lightning layer and go into the liquify tab onto filter. Select the forward warp tool and copy my settings if you'd like, and do what I do, basically making it more wavy. And then do the same with the texture layer as I do here. I do make the brush size larger for this one. Now, I'm personally not vibing with the red highlights either, so on the lightning, I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it. But if you still wanna keep the red highlights, then by all means keep it. I'm gonna get another photo now to add to the texture, which will be this cloud photo, and do the same as I did with the previous texture. Finally, I'm going to go on to filter and add some noise to both the texture layers to give it a static look. And there you have a Wandavision inspired glitch effect. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in more content like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you later. Have a good night. See ya. Bye.